my dear students. Hope you are enjoying my digital lectures. I am Fariha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is divide numbers up to 5 digits by a number up to 2 digits. Now I am going to solve an example for you in which you will not get any remainder. So here is the example. You can see this example. I am just going to solve this example for you so that you will have clear idea that how we have remainder and how we don't have remainder. First thing is this: if the divisor completely divide the dividend and there is nothing left over, so we call it division without. So we call it division without remainder. Okay, because we do not have any remainder. Do not have means we have remainder 0. So let's solve this example to have fun. I will solve this example, which is 61,830 divided by 30. 61,830 divided by 30. So first thing is this: I will write it down in division way. In first number is dividend and the second number is divisor, and the final answer we will get will be quotient. Okay, so I will write this one dividend inside and the divisor will come outside like this. Now I'm going to do according to the steps. I'm going to do multiplication. Because this is a 2-digit number, so we are going to consider first 2 numbers of the dividend, and then we are going to see that whether this number is less than the number 30 or greater than the number 30. If this is greater than the number 30, then we are going to do multiplication. Okay. If for example this is less than, then we are going to take 3 digits instead of 2 digits. Okay. You need to remember this thing. But now here for this example, you can see that 61 is greater than 30. So that is why I can do multiplication now. Now for doing multiplication, 30 multiplied by 2 is 60. So I am going to write 2 on the top of the number 2 in alignment. Okay. And then I am going to write 2 on the number 1 in alignment, if you can see over here. And the alignment in division is also really very important in quotient, in remainder, in dividend and divisor, of course. Because in divisor there is nothing to write below, so we are not going to consider any alignment over there. But do remember that these digits must be written without space. Okay, so right now we are going to do subtraction. For subtracting number, you can see that 61 minus 60 is 1. You can see I am going to subtract 1 minus 0 is 1. Means I have not subtracted anything from 1. So my answer will be 1. Now the fourth step is bring down. So I'm going to bring the next number down because the number 1 is less than the number 30. So I'm going to bring this number down. 6 minus 6 is 0 and we are going to have only 1 as a leftover over here. So 30 is more than the number 1. So I'm just going to bring the next number down according to the step number 4. So I'm going to bring it down. You can see that now this is number 18, which is again less than the number 30. So we cannot do multiplication now. Just to remember one thing, we can bring one number down in one step. Okay. So number 18 is less than the number 30, which means that we cannot do anything until and unless I can say it 30 multiplied by 0 is 0. So I will write 0 here because in one step I can bring one number down only. So I will write 0 here after the number 2 in alignment, and then I am going to write 0 zeros here and then do subtraction. For doing subtraction I need to draw a line, and then again I am going to write the same number here because 18 minus 0 is always 18. So 18 I am going to write down. Now I am going to bring the next number down easily, which is 3. So 183 is greater than the number 3. Means that I can multiply now. 30 multiplied by 6 is 180. So again I am going to do subtraction. and for subtraction, and after subtracting the numbers, I will get the number 3 here. Now, 3 is less than the number 30. So, according to the next step, I have to bring the next number down from the dividend, which is the last number. So, I'm going to bring this 0 down. You can see this number is 30 now. 30, 1s are 30. I will write 1 over here on the top, and then I'm going to write 30 here. And after subtraction, I will get the remainder. Yes, I will get the remainder 0. So, in this example, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is 2061. I will write down the answer like this. 61,830 divided by 30 is equal to 2061. Okay, in this way we are going to solve the questions in interesting and easy way. Do remember the long division step as I told you, and do remember the long division steps. Hope you are going to solve more questions at home to have more practice. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, take good care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.